Aperture explained in less than 60 seconds. So aperture is this F number in the middle here, and simply put, this controls the size of the opening within your lens for light to pass through. And this f-stop number can be displayed in increments such as f1.4, f2, f2.8, and so on. It's important to remember that the higher this f number is, the less light will be let in, and the lower this f number is, the more light will be let in. Now, the second function that aperture controls is the depth of field in your shots. And depth of field basically refers to how much of your photo will be in focus. So for example, a photo with an aperture of f2.8 will have less things in focus than a photo with an aperture of f16. So some examples of having a shallow depth of field could be when shooting portraits or products. And then some examples of using a higher aperture could be when shooting landscapes or architecture. So now with that being said, that's a quick breakdown of aperture, and be sure to subscribe for more photography tips.